People wonder all the time what to use hypnosis for. Well, it's anything that you want in your life that could be changed or experienced through your brain, your mind, which isn't that all things. I have doctors, I have physical therapists, there are medical practitioners who send their patients to me because there are so many times in a person's need or goal that there is something in the brain that isn't syncing up. And the brain is where it starts and then it goes into the body. So when we can start with the brain and we can understand that there is a fail safe, you cannot get messed up nor mess yourself up with hypnosis. Yet hypnosis is so powerful, and it's actually quite simple. It is not the psychoanalysis or conventional talk therapy of drawing out the problem. Instead, to the subconscious, you are communicating, there is not a problem. There is just the solution. You are already that solution state. You don't need to arrive to the solution state afterwards. You are already there. Everything in your body is functioning perfectly. All the pain or issues or discomforts have minimized, and all of that self-confidence and peacefulness and ease have maximized. And every single person is going to have their own way of communicating that within their own brain, which is why you are the best person to be doing your own hypnosis. We already know in the industry, it's always self-hypnosis. And so I would like to help you help yourself with the modern day hypnosis approach. I am Lauren, a modern day hypnosis ambassador, doing my best to give you those techniques of hypnosis so that you understand how malleable the process can be and how powerful the effectiveness of hypnosis really is. Join me any week for a workshop for free. Bring your goals. I will break the techniques down specifically for you. I will address as many goals for you as I can get to in that week, and you can come to as many of these workshops as you would like so that you can actually have all of this right at your fingertips for free, or you can get the organized toolkit for life, because once you understand and learn how to do hypnosis, you will not forget. This is not a challenging course to take in. Instead, it's a remembering of your subconscious into its power and that base original equation that only you have. So I hope to see you at a workshop, and I hope to give you these powerful, effective techniques of hypnosis, or hoping to answer any questions that you have about what to use hypnosis for, the experience or feelings of hypnosis. If you want to work with a professionally trained hypnosis ambassador, Modern Day Hypnosis can help you do this for yourself or help you find the qualified professional to support and do this alongside you. So I look forward to you having these effective tools and powerful results of hypnosis. Talk soon. Bye.